Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you need to install Windows or create a recovery drive, the first step is making a bootable USB. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily burn an ISO file to a USB drive using AOMEI Partition Assistant. This tool makes the whole process simple and reliable, so you'll be ready to boot from your USB in just a few minutes. AOMEI Partition Assistant is highly compatible and can burn ISO image files from all versions of Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7 to a USB drive. It can also work with uncertified USB drives. Regarding capacity, 13 GB is sufficient. Here's how to burn an ISO file to a USB drive in Windows 10. Step 1. Install and run AOMEI Partition Assistant. Plug an empty USB drive in your Windows 10 computer via USB port. Step 2. In the main interface of the software, click Tools, Windows to Go Creator in the top panel. Step 3. In this window, two different ways to create Windows to Go are offered. Create Windows to Go for PC or Mac. In our case, choose the first way and click Next. Step 4. Then choose Create Windows to Go with System Disk/ISO and select the ISO files stored on your computer, then click Next. Step 5. Usually, the software will detect all inserted USB drives on your computer automatically. If not, refresh it. Then choose the USB you will use. Finally, click Proceed. Note, besides burning ISO image files to USB as a portable Windows device, AOMEI Partition Assistant can also create a bootable USB drive. With it, you can enter a WinP environment and use this software to repair Windows boot failure problems by rebuilding MBR, checking and fixing possible bad sectors. And that's it. Now you know how to easily burn an ISO to a USB and create a bootable drive for Windows installation or even recovery tools. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you ran into any issues.